Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to go through opening external applications from Pharo. And at least if you're on Windows, this is pretty easy. Native Boost works perfectly nicely in Windows. They're working on it still for Mac and Linux. It isn't quite there yet. But if you're on Windows, just go to nbwin32 shell, and you can look at this in the browser over here. You can see that there's kind of a full implementation of this. Whereas if you go to Unix, you get the Boost 32. There's not a lot there yet. You go to Mac, still not a lot there yet, but they're working on it. So in any case, you go to nbwin32 shell, and if you just want to open an external app, like let's say I want to browse a website, this is easy. You just put in the URL, shell open, and I'll do it. And you'll see over here my browser fires away. It's a new tab and goes to yahoo.com. So that works nicely. Now this is an interesting thing here. I tried this and I thought this would work, and I go ahead and I did a do it, and you'll notice that nothing seems to happen. And if I go over here and look here, it looks like, well, I'm at Pharo and I have test.txt. That should open. Well, it turns out that even though this is Windows, notice I've got a lowercase p here, and in here it looks like an uppercase P. It seems to be case sensitive. So if I come in here and I get this last one and I put in the uppercase P rather, and do it, so there it is. So little glitch there in the sense that not exactly what I would have expected. If I was using VisualWorks or Object Studio and I did that same kind of thing, ignoring case, it would have worked. Something I think they ought to work on. But in any case, if you're using Windows and you're using Pharo, it's pretty easy to do. Just open up an arbitrary application, as long as there is an application bound to that ending, .text, .doc, any kind of HTTP document, a PDF. If you have the application installed, it'll fire up the default application for that. Works just the same way as it does with the equivalent stuff that's over there in VisualWorks and Object Studio. So, that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.